Yo guys, this is the exact moment that I finally get to see 5 digits over 10K in a day, officially. I have my phone right here. We're gonna open it. All right, guys, you ready? Bro, hey, before I go, man, bro, I've been working for this, bro. I've been working for this, man. Yo, I'm just hitting milestones after milestones, and I can't even I haven't even taken time to fucking process all this shit, bro. It's holy shit. Okay, let's go. No more fucking sobbing. Bro, why is the lighting ass, bro? What the fuck? Yo, it's even worse. Bro, I gotta move somewhere. Anyways, whatever.